Lakawon Island Terminal. Okay, big fish sa ubos. So far, everything. Flying prey fish. Stick bait lang namin. Let's see. 7 a.m. na. So 30 minutes, nothing. I think it's a fish. Is it fighting? Ah, perfect. It is a fish. It's a grouper. It's a big grouper. Look at that. Okay. Chill. Trying to get it off. Ah, there. Okay. That's all the grouper, guys. Where's the light? That's a solid grouper. Okay. Catch and release. He survived! Right, just use this rubber thingy. Lock metal jig yun. I'm not sure. I think I'm stuck. This might be the end of the video. Yep. Lost the lure. For sure. Okay. My God. I'll try this one. Duha na lang kabukong jigit. Oy. Oy. It's my last dart. Rubber. But akong jig head is orange, so I'm not sure. Another fish, bigger one. Oh, it's an eel. It's an eel. How do I land this thing? Sao mo pag? How do I land this thing? Nakata. Sao mo pagkuha? Dali. Kabuhay gid siya. Kabuhay gid siya.
Kamayo.
Unsa tawag ka to?
Kamayo.
Eel, no? Bago na itong eel. I'm not sure if klaro to ninyo, man. It was fun. Kung naputol to, wala. Undang. Pinit na. Last cast. Wala pa na eh. And undang na. Medyo init na gito. Isa ra gid ang nalan sa tulo ka hits. Isa drop. Kuantong eel eh. First time. Fish unlock. Never thought they'll hit. Aning ang lure. At yeah, I think that's it. See you guys next video.